Open python.org. From there, go to downloads, and in the downloads, you can see which version of Python to be downloaded. You can download Windows operating system for Windows. See, if you want to use the previous versions also, they are also available, children. Okay, 3.9 is there, 3.8.6 is there, 3.8 is there. Okay, 3.7.9 is there. So it cannot be used on Windows XP. Okay. Then see 3.8.5 is there. All the versions are there. So see here last year, see June 27, 2020, this is the release. Okay. So 3.7.8 is also good, children, because I was using it, there was no issue. Okay. So if you want to install the advanced version 3.8, whatever the recent version, September 24th, that is whatever the bugs are there in the previous versions, they must have removed it and they have advanced it. Okay. So that version you download. See, now go to downloads. Once it is downloaded, now go to downloads. So you can see now it is downloaded. I have downloaded Python 3.8.5. So once after completion of downloading, double click on it. So once you double click, you will see the screen. Now click on this. It should be ticked. Tick mark should be there. Add Python 3.8 to path. Got it, man? So once it is clicked, then click on install now. Are you following, children? Click on install now. Now you can see the setup progress. Have you all done? Hope you are all doing parallelly. Okay, so then I'll ask you to show your screen.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's showing. Do you want do you want this to make changes in your device? Should I give yes or no?
Yes.
Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, we have to install normally, ma'am.
Normally means?
Ma'am, like
I have
right
this
click and
version
install.
3.3.
Sorry?
Ma'am, I have version 3.3 of Python.
3.3 and 4. 3.3 version will not work out, children. 3.8, 3.7, something
Oh,
like that. Okay,
I'll
don't
download
go
it
for
now.
3.6. There is a variation in little coding also from 3.7 to 3.8. Got it? 3.6 to 3.7. So 3.7 or advanced you take.
Ma'am, my computer is not supporting Python.
Your operating system is
Windows 7, ma'am.
Windows, Windows 7.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, if it is Windows 7, you see,
Ma'am, it will support 32-bit, ma'am.
yeah,
For
32-bit
Windows
you
7.
download.
Yes,
That
ma'am.
for everybody. 64-bit will not work for everybody. Okay, 64-bit will work for some operating advanced one. If yours is little old computer, go for 32-bit. Now I'm installing 32-bit only. You can see, no? See 32-bit.
Ma'am, it will work out for Windows 10.
Yeah, it will work out. In our school computers and all, Windows 10 only, right? So we are using, right?
Ma'am, I'm not getting the option to add to path.
Ma'am, it's not supported my computer.
Where, which one? Kiska?
Ma'am, Miss Sumit.
Sumit ka?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Sumit, you do one thing. Install AnyDesk.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
it's not giving me an option to add it to path.
Speak little louder. Sumit, who is speaking?
No, ma'am, Dhruv.
Dhruv.
It's not giving me an option to add to path.
Dhruv, yeah, you all of you, what do you do? No, install AnyDesk.
What, ma'am?
AnyDesk.
Ma'am, spelling.
You can see.
मैम लाइक टीम व्यूअर
स्क्रीन शेयर होती है.
Have you all done AnyDesk? So download now. You can see, no, whatever I'm doing, you do. After installation of AnyDesk, this number is there now. Who is facing problem? You give me that number.
Ma'am, which number?
Here you can see the number, right?
Yes.
Your system, your desk can be accessed with this address. This desk, okay, below.
Yes,
You all
ma'am.
can see? Yeah, give
Yes,
me
ma'am.
that address. Who is facing problem? Dhruv? You are facing.
Ma'am, number.
Who is facing problem?
Ma'am, I'll tell you the number.
Yeah, tell.
172.
1 second. Who is speaking? Dhruv only?
Dhruv, ma'am.
Yeah. So you people turn on your video, dear, so that you can see me and I can see you. Yeah. Dhruv, tell me.
172
2
710
710
578
578.
8.
Allow me. Allow access. Dhruv, have you given me access? Dhruv,
Ma'am, from where should I enable
in the
unattended?
AnyDesk only. I am waiting for your permission.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you given permission?
Ma'am, from where is it given?
Yeah, you will see, no, ma. One message 172710578 is trying to connect to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Then you have to allow, admit, accept.
पॉपअप आएगा एक अलाउ करने के लिए.
नहीं आया वही.
आपने मुझे नंबर बताया ना, इसके बाद मैं आपका सिस्टम को एक्सेस करने चाहती हूँ ना, एक्सेस करने के लिए कोशिश कर रहा ना.
पर
ठीक है
नहीं
बेटा.
आया.
कोई दूसरे को किसी को प्रॉब्लम है इंस्टॉलेशन में?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, we should download Python 3.8.5, ma'am.
We should log out 3.8.5. What do you mean?
Ma'am, we should download 3.8.5, ma'am.
You should download 3.8.5. Now, which version you downloaded?
Ma'am, 3.8.5, ma'am.
Then what? See, 3.7 or advanced you can download, ma'am. Got it, children? 3.7 are advanced. 3.6 and all are having some different codings. Okay, so some functionality, whatever it is there in your textbook may differ from there. Ma'am, हमने ये try कर रहे हैं textbook में ऐसे दिया है वैसे नहीं हो रहा है. That and all you will feel. Even in the evaluation of expression also, that will be evaluated differently. The same expression when you get evaluated in other versions, the result will be different. Okay. Then you may feel that if I am using some different version and you are using some different version, मैडम ने हमको गलत सिखाया करके. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, done, ma'am.
So it is based on the versions, nothing much. Coding में तो problem नहीं है. Now you see network connection timed out, right? This desk is not available. Give me some proper number, ma'am.
Ma'am, done, ma'am. That Python done.
Okay, done. सबका हो गया? Everybody could successfully install Python on your system?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone is facing problem, Viraj?
Ma'am, I have a problem.
Who? Sanskriti, Anna. Who?
Sumit.
Sumit, yeah,
Yes,
you share me your AnyDesk you have installed?
Ma'am, 108
1 second, beta. 108
766.
108 766.
मैम वो बस इतना ही है.
Sorry?
मैम खाली इतना ही है. 1087 और 666.
No, beta. It should be 9 digit.
Okay, ma'am. 1 minute, ma'am. Check.
Give me your remote desk your desk address. This desk करके आपको दिखेगा ना AnyDesk में. वो देख.
मैं बाद में करके देखता हूँ. मैम मैं थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है कुछ लैपटॉप में.
Okay, you do one thing. You share your screen.
एड्रेस के नंबर कहाँ लिखा रहता है, यही पूछा जा रहा है, कहाँ लिखा?
Wait.
मैं टैबलेट में कर रहा हूँ. लैपटॉप तो साइड में इसकी प्रॉब्लम है.
आप लैपटॉप में कर देना बेटा. टैब में because this software now we are doing.
कोई ना टीचर इसकी
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
For
Sumit.
Manasa, this Windows 7 Service Pack 1 is required.
Windows 7 Service Pack.
Service Pack 1. She doesn't have the latest one.
Python वाला.
No, ma'am. Windows 7 only. It's not supporting her because she doesn't have Windows 7 Service Pack 1.
Share your screen. Ayush, share your screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can you see? Oh,
Yeah, I can see.
ma'am, here
Mm.
when we try to download Python, it's telling Windows 7 Service Pack 1 is not supported.
Windows 7 Service Pack. What is that? Completely read it out.
Ma'am, Windows 7 Service Pack 1 and all applicable services update are required to install Python 3.8.6.
Ma'am,
Okay, then go for Python 3.7.8.
Okay, ma'am.
All of you go for Python 3.7.8. Advanced version, if it is not supporting in many of you, all of us will do the same software. Okay. Otherwise, whatever I am
I'm doing
explaining, when you execute, you may see different result. Okay. This is what happened last year. So in my Caltal room, I installed 3.6, and in the classroom, I installed 3.7. Why it is happening? I was also in dilemma. Then when I gone through the versions, no. So in every version, the way they define the functions are different. So all of you go for 3.7.8, children.
मैम मेरा हो गया 3.8.5.
That
Ma'am,
let
for
it
this,
be.
should I download
Yeah, don't worry.
3.7.8?
If 3 point already it is there also, don't. Now go for 3.7. That also you keep installing.
Ma'am, which one should I install here?
3.7 point any version. 3.7.8 or something like that.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'll tell you the number. You can give access.
Yes, ma'am.
541.
1 second. 1 second. How is it going? Five, 4, 1.
011.
011.
980.
980. Interactive log on disallowed. Could not log into the remote computer. Must be open in the remote computer in order to. There you should open any desk also, child. No, you people. See, have you installed any desk after downloading? Double click on that. Next.
Ma'am, it's not
Yes,
getting
ma'am.
downloaded,
Any
ma'am.
disk plugin.
Sorry, yeah.
Yes, ma'am. It is showed any disk plugin. I downloaded that.
Plugin, not plugin, dear. Plugin is one part of the software. Okay. So we need to download a complete software, na any desk.
hello, ma'am.
1 second,
Yes.
ma'am. I'll try and come back.
Try once again. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, it is showing that documents are required.
Harsh Kumar.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you share your screen? I'll
Yes,
make you
ma'am.
presenter. Wait.
Ma'am, screen shading is not visible.
Now try sharing your screen, Harsh. Harsh Kumar.
Ma'am, again it's showing setup failed.
You have gone to downloads of yeah. Show me what have you downloaded. Downloads, Medika. Show. Go to Windows Explorer.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
here. Where is that software? Python Wala. Yeah,
Yeah.
8.5. Double click. Repair.
Ma'am, can you send that?
1 second, ma'am. Let me complete for Harsh. Okay. Aman,
Yes, ma'am.
you also can start sharing, ma'am. So Harsh, again I'll ask you to share once this is completed. Let it go on. Once it is
Ma'am,
repair
repair
was
is
successful. Okay, now close this window. Close,
ma'am,
ma'am.
there was a power cut, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
Huh? Harsh, close this window. Repair was successful का window close करो बेटा.
Ma'am, power cut, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So now Aman, you share, ma. Aman,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, you share your screen. Share, ma. Share your screen. Aman. Can you all see, children? What Aman is sharing? I'm not able to see.
No, ma'am.
Hmm. Where is it? Irfan? Irfan has not joined. Abin has not joined. Why? Irfan and Abin. Where is Dimple?
Ma'am, I have joined late, ma'am. What I have to do?
Who, Pranav?
Not Pranav, ma'am. Aman.
Aman. Why did you join late, ma? 8:30 everyday class, no?
Ma'am, it was not opening, like you have not given the link, that's why.
Now you share your screen, I'm asking now. Share your screen. Start presenting, ma. Aman. Python installation we are doing today.
Ma'am, I don't have my PC, so I am doing it in my smartphone. Is it okay?
Shivam, you should have, no, because you are computer science now. Computer science, all practicals will be done in the computer, no, Vida?
Yes, ma'am. I will buy it, ma'am. I was having an old laptop, ma'am. It got.
Yeah, so there you
Ma'am?
install, no? Yes, ma, Ayush.
Ma'am, in this I downloaded 3.7.8 and also 3.8.6.
No problem, no problem.
But
Both
none
versions
of them
can-
are working.
Sorry?
None of them are working, ma'am.
None of them are working. So you share your screen. Ayush.
Yes, ma'am. In this. Ma'am, this is actually Manasa's computer.
Sorry?
This is Manasa's computer.
Why are you sharing Manas's computer?
I am helping her download Python, but her Windows is older version.
No, you share your screen, dear. Then only I
My
can
screen,
help
my
you out.
Python, I downloaded long back, ma'am.
Okay, how come you are sharing Mansa's screen?
I'm using any.
Okay, you stop using this and show me your screen, dear. Then I can help you out.
Ma'am, my screen, my Python is working, ma'am. Only Manasa's Python is not working.
Mansa's Python is not working. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, make it bigger, maximize.
Ma'am, do you
Maximize.
want access to her AnyDesk?
Yeah, you give me access, no? Then directly I can solve. Otherwise, you may ask her to directly present, no? When she can share to you. That any desk number they go.
Ma'am, I'll ask her to give you the code.
Give me. Manasa.
Yes,
where
ma'am.
is she? Yeah, you can directly give me na any desk number, beta. I'm asking, right, who are all facing problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, good, good. Ayush has taken a very good initiative. So yeah, you can take help from Ayush, no problem.
Ma'am, you are mute, ma'am.
Manasa, give me your AnyDesk number, dear.
Ma'am, she is setting up, ma'am. You cannot do that setup without opening Chrome.
It was fast to give her the number.
Ma'am, the number is 165-417. Ma'am?
Yeah, you open it and keep, ma. Like how I opened, AnyDesk now. You can see, no?
Yeah, ma'am, the number is 165 417 455.
455. Very good. Connecting. You allow me to connect. See, remote side to accept your session request. Please wait. I'm waiting for your response. If you allow me, if you accept my request, yeah, connected. Now open your. Why did you close, man? We cancelled this thing.
No, ma'am.
Accept my connection request.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. So now,
Ma'am, it is showing repair work.
one second, children. Yeah, this is Manasa's computer. Okay. Manasa, you mute the Teams.
Yes, ma'am.
In Teams, you mute, ma'am. Or reduce your volume.
Reduce, what, ma'am?
Volume.
This one you mute. Yeah, otherwise it is echoing, no? Okay, now you see where is your session started. Where is Python? Python 3.7.8, okay. Three point 7.8. Double click. Run. One or more issues. Please fix issues. Better for more. 7 service pack. These are sometimes your system may be asking for update. That time, if you did not know, these things will happen. That Windows update, some Microsoft updations they will give. So if you would have updated your operating system, these problems will not come. So once it is downloaded, double click and install it. Okay, ma'am. So now, see, these kind of things are there in Microsoft Visual C++ versions. So like that, it's also
Ma'am,
one
screen
of
sharing is not visible.
sorry.
Ma'am, screen sharing is not visible.
Now it is visible. This is manufacturing which I'm
Yes,
sharing.
ma'am.
Yeah. So here, here I'm checking where is that Python, because here Microsoft Visual C++, whatever updates are there, these updates, yes, some of the updates she must have deleted are not done for her operating system. So what I've done, I've gone to that window Microsoft.com, wherever we have to download whatever updates, okay, that updates are downloaded. So here,
Ma'am,
yes, ma'am.
ma'am, if we download any other version like which is already installed, other than that, then the computer will show error, ma'am. Like most of the files will not open, ma'am.
Other than,
I'm like in a particular computer, a particular Windows is already installed, ma'am. Like if you want to add another Windows, then we have to do it from the CD, ma'am, not from the net.
but you see, I am not installing operating systems here. We are missing one or two Visual C++, that whatever the updates of that operating system.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so if we install those two files, that will be done. That can be done.
Okay, ma'am.
So now it is taking time. In fact,
Ma'am, on her computer, when I was going to see for updates, it was showing that Microsoft has stopped support for that computer or Windows 7.
also you try to download those Microsoft Visual C++, .NET something and all you see. Okay, so those two files that is needed for this update, if you are able to download and install, the problem will be resolved.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you're downloading that Windows 6.1 two times, ma'am.
No, but one is 62, one is 32 bit. You can see, no? Both are different files.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
ma'am, after repair, it is showing free field to email Python list at Python org if you continue to encounter issues.
One second, Jay. See, here I am sharing my this thing idle. See, 3.7 also I have installed, 3.8 also I have installed, 3.6 also. So which one we want to use, that we can open. Say 3.7.5. By then this will take time. So by let's try to execute this. See, install now. So 3.7.5 install, I think. 7.8 also it is asking for some updates, right?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Makila.
Ma'am, here there are specific files. Which are the ones that I should be downloading? The 3.7.8.
3.7.5. See, now in 3.7.5, there is no issue of update. So all of you download 3.7.5.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, there are many files, ma'am, to download. Which one we have to click?
Yeah, see here I click on installer. Executable installer is there. Windows x64 executable installer.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, last time what I had done was I
Ma'am,
had
which one should we
installed.
download?
I didn't get you.
Ma'am, last time what I did was I installed Python, the thing, plus I installed PyCharm.
Okay.
Ma'am, the JetBrains one, the Python compiler or interpreter or something.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, but then I deleted because it was too fancy.
See, so many Python software are there. Okay, Anaconda is there, PyCharm is there, many are there. Okay. So
I am also using PyCharm.
they will provide some good GUI also. Yes, ma'am. Manas application is open. Okay. So now Python you can see here.
Okay, ma'am.
You can see no idle.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Why is not opening? Yeah, now it's working, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
You can see no 400. It's working?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, it's working. So now, yeah, you can stop accessing from any desk. Yeah. Very good. Got it, children. Now, आप सबको समझ में आ गया ना? So, if at all, if you are facing any problem, now what you do, you go to. So now I'm closing this AnyDesk also. I think now one of your problem is solved, means now you can help one another and you can install Python. So now, yeah, after successful installation, 3.7.5, without any updates, you can install, children. So once you are successfully installed, now what is the next step? I'm closing here so that I can show you once again. This AnyDesk also now not needed. I'm closing this. Okay, children. So now we'll go to window button. Here you can search for idle. Okay. So 3.7, Python 3.7 idle is there. Just if you open here, directly whatever we are doing, so that result is coming immediately, yes or no? Can you see, children? Hey, can you all see? Respond.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah, result is coming immediately.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah.
So when the result is coming immediately, instantaneously, this is interactive mode. Which mode is this? Interactive mode.
Interactive.
Interactive mode. Okay. So what is this mode?
Interactive mode.
Interactive mode.
Interactive.
Yeah, very good. Interactive mode. In interactive mode, whatever we do, that only immediately will come. Okay. Suppose hello. What is this hello? It did not understand. Suppose if I written hello, what is this hello? That same thing has come. Yes or no? So next print. Okay. So print is for display. Hello everyone. Okay. Welcome to Python programming. So now you can see that message is whatever I typed in this, that is displayed. Yes or no? So now I'll close this. Once I come back, where is that? Whatever I have done, it is visible. Is it visible, children? Whatever I have done previously.
No, ma'am.
No, na? So interactive mode में क्या होता है ना? Temporary, right? And the result will come immediately. But if you want to open that file for later use, that is not there, isn't it? So for that reason, what do I do? Go to file, new file, write a proper programming, right? So print result of what is that? 7 multiplied by 8. Okay, suppose. Then you have to. So now this is the separate file. You can see, no? Are you able to see? This is the script, shell script. Whereas we are, this is the shell, isn't it? So, but we have come into another file. Now you have to save this file. Are you all following, ma? So this file, Python file, this is a Python program, right? So what is the file extension? By default, it is .py. If you have not given also, automatically it will take C. I have not given any dot, any extension. Can you all observe, children? Yes. So what is the default extension? Now you can see what is the file name here. Can you tell? Can you read out? Harsh, can you read out what is the file name here? We can see the file name. 11c_1 dot after dot what is there, ma'am? Manasa? डॉट के बाद आपको क्या दिख रहा है? 1 के बाद माँ, 1 के बाद डॉट है ना, डॉट के बाद
Yes, ma'am.
डॉट के बाद what is visible to you?
P and Y.
Yeah, py. So what is the file extension of any Python program? .py. अगर आपने पीपीटी बनाए तो आपका एक्सटेंशन क्या होगा बेटा?
.py.
पीपीटी के लिए, पावर पॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन के लिए .py का. If you have done any PowerPoint presentation, what will be the extension?
.ppt.
.ppt or .pptx, isn't it? So if at all any Python program is prepared by you, what is the extension?
Ma'am,
.py.
.py. आ गए समझ में सबको? ठीक है. So now if you want to retain whatever coding you have done, we have to use script mode. Like this, when you are saving that content in a file, no, whatever coding you are writing. So this is known as script mode. Okay. So in two modes we can execute. Then and there, if you are getting a result, this is interactive way, interactive mode. Okay, ma. So now if I want to open what is that file 11c1_py. Okay. So now this is the file. What should I do after completion? Save that file. Press F5. F5 is for what? Execution or processing or running a program. Got it, children? So which program ka result 56? You can see no? There is a program 11c.py in Python 3.7 folder. That is 37 folder. Okay. So from there we got the result 56. आ गई समझ में? So now let us go and write a simple program to display hello world. Okay. So print. What should I do? Hello world. Children. So let me show you what are all the errors in this program. Errors in the program. Okay. So now what should I do? Tell me, children, to execute and get the result. What is my first step?
Enter.
What is the first step, Ayush?
Ma'am, to enter, no?
Enter. Enter क्यों करना है? Enter नहीं करना बेटा. See, एक बार हमारा पूरा स्टेप्स खत्म हो गया तो सेव करना अपना प्रोग्राम को. ओके. सो व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप? सेव. सेव एज नहीं. व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन सेव एंड सेव एज? सेव एज मतलब you are making one more copy of the file. Save means in that file only you save whatever the modifications. Got it? What is the difference between save and save as?
Save as we create one more copy.
One more file, one more copy. Yes, very good, Ayush. Harsh, tell me what is the difference between save and save as?
Ma'am, in save as, there will be 2 copies, ma'am.
Correct. Okay. So save में क्या होता है? What is the purpose of save? Whatever changes you have done. to be saved in that file only. Okay, beta. Now I have saved. After saving, you can see the file name. Okay. Whenever you do some more modifications, okay. So now again I have to save. Otherwise, what will happen? Now I'll go click on run. Are you all watching? Yes, run module. Okay, children. Running means it is not running of 500 meters or Olympic race. It is execution of the program. Okay, so we are executing the program, whatever you have done. So what will happen? See here, something problem is there. What is that problem? What is that
You
problem?
forgot to put that colon, ma'am.
Inverted comma.
Inverted commas.
Yeah, because whatever message we want to display, it should be in inverted commas. Otherwise, it will think that it is a variable having some value. But where is that variable defined? Where is the value assigned? Have you given any other statements in this? Nothing we have done, no. Are you following, children? So that is the reason it should follow, we should follow proper grammar rules of the programming. आगे समझ में? So that is grammar को बोलते हैं syntax, not syntax. Syntax, S-Y-N-T-A-X. What is the meaning of syntax, children? Tell me. Grammar. So violation of any grammar rule, any language, does it convey the proper meaning?
No, ma'am.
No. So compiler also not able to understand. What do you want to do? Compiler को समझ में नहीं आया, interpreter को समझ में नहीं आया. Python interpreter ना. So interpreter is not able to understand. Then it is what is it showing when I press F5? It is not taking me to output. Instead, it is waiting for me to correct there. Got it? So now once everything is correct, perfect, then what happened? Have I got output or not? You can see the output. Can you all see the output? Yes or no? Output is after processing, whatever the result obtained. You can see, children. Can you all see? What is the result? First line क्या print. So print मतलब क्या है? Display. What should I display?
Hello world.
Okay, hello world is displayed. Yes or
Yes,
no?
ma'am.
Yes. So next one more print is there. Welcome. So what is displayed? You can see. Welcome आ गया?
Yes, ma'am.
आगे समझ में how to display using one print command. So print,
Yes, ma'am.
print is a function. So it should be starting whatever we want to display, that everything should be within the parenthesis. Parenthesis means this brackets. You can see, no, these brackets, black color. Can you all see? Yes or no, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Only one person can see. Aman?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So now let me remove these brackets and show you what will happen. So now what
Ma'am,
happened?
it will not work.
Invalid syntax. आ गया error. What is the error? Syntax. So it is not able to, our interpreter is not able to interpret
bracket.
properly. Okay, beta. So now let me do one more thing. Here I started with single quote and ended with a double quote. Now what is the problem? A source must be, whenever you do changes, source must be saved. Click OK to save. Now you see what is the error? EOL, end of line, while scanning string literal. It is not able to find, you have started with single quotes, so compiler is not a human being, isn't it? Our interpreter is not a human being. So when it is scanning for one more single quote, it is not able to find out. So it is searching end of the line, full end of the line. You can see no red color, but it is not able to make out there is single quote. This much is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
समझ में आ रहा है ना? From the beginning, if you practice and if you are thorough, na beta, when you go for little high-end programming also, you will not face any difficulty. Okay? should be very clear. So it should be, if you have started with single quote, end with single quote. Now you see, is there any error? Source must be
Ma'am, single quote and
saved,
second
okay to
double
save.
quote.
Yes. So what should I do, Manshinder? इरफान
मैम इससे पहले सेव करना पड़ेगा.
हाँ सेव नहीं किया तो भी इधर देखो व्हाट इज दिस डायलॉग बॉक्स शोइंग सेव बिफोर रन और चेक ओके सोर्स मस्ट बी सेव्ड व्हाट शुड आई डू क्लिक ओके देन इट इज ऑटोमेटिकली सेव करके एग्जीक्यूशन भी हो गया ठीक है बेटा आगे समझ में so if I press directly without saving if I press F5 so it will be asking for me to save. So once I have no other changes, then directly it will execute. How many times I press F5? Those many times it will be executed. So today, what and all we learned how to install Python and how to work in script mode and interactive mode. Got it, children? See now this is script mode. Which one is script mode? Which one is interactive mode? Now tell me. I closed everything now. Yeah. Yes, ma. Tell me which one is script mode, which one is interactive mode. Akila?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma. Which one is script mode, which one is interactive mode?
Ma'am, in interactive mode, whatever.
Turn on your video. Turn on your video and answer. Yes, ma. Shivam. Yes, you raised your hand. You want to answer?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, interactive mode is a mode in Python which can action immediately. And script mode is a mode in which we can save any coding, ma'am.
Okay, script mode is where file you can save whatever work you are doing for later purpose. See now I will be again opening and showing. You can see now idle again I am opening. See I have in this computer all the three versions 3.7, 3.6, 3.8. Okay, now I am working with 3.7.5. Okay, ma. So now you can see 3.7. It's opening. Now Aditya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, now this is which mode?
Interactive.
Very good, interactive mode. So interactive mode, how can you say it is interactive mode?
Because it gives the result immediately.
Immediately. See, I need not use a print command also. Okay, so directly it will display. Got it? So if you want to display only value of the message, not the single quotes, double quotes, nothing. Okay, then you can use print. Got it? Right. Now, Aditya, another Aditya, not Kashyap. Aditya, Raj. Huh? So now how should I work in script mode? आदित्य राज बेटा स्क्रिप्ट मोड में कैसे काम करेंगे Yeah, all of you turn on your video. Every one of you turn on your video. Yes, good. Yes, ma, all of you. Turn on your video. Children. Yes, good, good. So now all of you. Kushagra, Ayush, Who is this girl not in uniform? Akila is in uniform. Akshat, turn on your video, beta. All of you. Aman, Akshit, Anish, Anirudh, Anu, Dhruv, Harsh, Irfan, Keith Kaur, Kushagra, Ashwant Reddy, Manshinder, Mayank Kumar Singh, Niklesh Chandrasekhar, Pranav Kumar Mishra, Priyanshu Bhuvneshwari, Rachita, Rudran, Sahil, Sanskriti, Satish, Sayan, Shivam, Simran, Sumit, Tanya, Ujjwal, Viraj, Mohit. What happened? अबिन को क्या हुआ? Right? Children, I am downloading this attendance. All of you turn on your video. Today 35 people only present, 7 people. What happened to them? I do not know. Okay, so yeah, I'll take this screenshot, children. So you, all of you turn on your video. Then all of us can be in the classroom. You can see, no? Yes, good, good. Can you all see? Yeah, Niklesh Chandrasekhar, Aman Raj, Aditya Raj, सबको समझ में आ गया आज? So today what did we learn? We learned how to install Python program, Python software. Okay, that is idle. Okay, and after installation, what have we done? What have we done, children? After installation, we worked in interactive mode and in script mode. Okay, so then what are the, why should we learn Python? You tell me. Who is the inventor of Python? Who is the inventor of Python? Have you gone through, children? Who is the inventor of Python? In which year he invented? It is not a new language, children, actually. It is also very old only. Okay, so why we should go for Python? Why we should learn Python? See, you can see it has more
Gudio Van
features.
Rossum.
Yeah, it has more features. So look to the
19.
camera. Yeah, then I'm taking your photos. So you can see, no? Yeah, I have already taken your photos. So look to the camera. Okay, so now, yeah. What about others? Irfan, turn on your video, Harsh Kumar. See, most of the blank seats are there still. Yeah, yeah. Good, good.
Ma'am,
So,
using a PC, ma'am.
okay. Okay, some more people can join. See, so many seats are still vacant. What, Ayush? Yes, ma'am. So tell me, what are the features of Python? Python, why should we learn Python?
We can create many applications, ma'am. It's a very simple language.
Very good.
Through which many
So
applications
it
can
has
be created.
wide range of applications. See, all the now, you know, it is booming, right? What is that? Data science. So in the data science, everywhere now, Python only. In artificial intelligence now, Python only they are using. Okay, because of its wide range of applications, Python is now used everywhere. Okay, ma'am. So now Keith Kaur also joined now. Yes. So now, may I know who is this? Name?
Ma'am, Kushagra.
Kushagra. Okay, fine, fine. Yeah. He is Irfan, right? This is Irfan, huh? Ah, correct. So this is Shiva. This is Aman Raj, isn't it? Yeah, this is Shivam, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So Ayush. So let me find out. No, Ayush के पीछे कौन है? At least See, we are not able to meet on offline. At least I should be aware of being class teacher who is who. Yes or no, children? Aman, you have some Pratyush was there, no, in 12th, last year. You have any relation to Pratyush? Pratyush Amar Singh.
No,
Same
ma'am.
features, similar features you have. Okay.
No,
so,
ma'am, not at all. Ma'am, I
Okay.
don't know even.
Okay, fine. So now, yeah, 5 more minutes is there. So I have prepared one Kahoot quiz also, children, based on the problem solving. Okay. So quickly we'll do. Irfan,
Ma'am, can we play today?
sorry, I have shared.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, we'll do.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. So now you can join Kahoot quickly.
Ma'am.
Just 5 minutes it will take. That's it.
Ma'am.
Previous class, whatever we have discussed, that is problem solving. So I have shared, you must have practiced. Once again, we'll do live. It will be giving very nice gaming experience when we are playing live.
Ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, Python download करके रख लें.
हाँ, Python download करके रख ले. So full-fledged Python. PyCharm का जरूरत नहीं बेटा. 11th स्टैंडर्ड में PyCharm का जरूरत नहीं है. ठीक है?
मैम उसमें अपने आप ही सेव होके रन हो जाता है वो रन वाले बटन पे क्लिक करने से.
I know that, but you know, so if you learn from the scratch level, being a computer science student, so instead of learning directly based on the whatever coding you are doing, immediately you will see the result that is GUI based, no? So they provide some graphical interface, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So you can use. I am not denying that. But idle you use so that you will learn more coding. In GUI based, what will happen? Some codings without you doing, they will provide.
I can use ma'am because it's more convenient.
Problem solving. Yes, ma'am. Yes, children, we can play. Ready?
1 minute, ma'am. Ma'am, it's asking password.
Which password you don't want? Only
Login, ma'am.
pin use. Pin
Ma'am,
is
is it
63 25
player?
740. 63 25 740 children.
Ma'am, it is classic or team mode, ma'am?
Nothing to worry. You just enter this game pin. Kahoot में जाके enter game pin. Yes, join. I will join.
1 second, ma'am. I'm downloading Kahoot, ma'am.
Who is Yash here? यश कौन है? वजन जी कौन है?
मैम मैं यशवंत से.
You enter your name so that yeah, in the class what are the names that are named for computer. Yeah, Rudrash. Kayan Das. Good, good. Good children. All of you just join. 63, 25, 740. By 17 people only. Shall we start?
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am.
Maybe others they wanted to be audience for today and from next class on they'll join. Is it so? Yes, Irfan, where are you? Mohit, Niklesh joined. Nikhil Singh, Parasha, Kushwaha.
Ma'am, unable to join, ma'am.
Okay, shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ready?
Yes, ma'am.
If I log this game, no one can be able to join. If you want to join, you join. So it's a very simple, easy thing only. Problem solving.
I'm
only
not
3
able to
points
join,
we
ma'am.
discussed. Analyze, design, implement. Okay, please run that one.
I'm not able to join.
Who? What is an algorithm? Flowchart, step-by-step instructions, solve a problem, flowchart, pseudocode, decision. Whoever is not able to join, you take help of your friends. Next class, you join. Okay, ma'am? Yeah, 10 people have answered it correctly. Algorithm is a step-by-step instruction used to solve any problem. Okay, children? Okay, so to represent this algorithm pictorially, diagrammatically, we use flowchart. To represent this algorithm textually, we use pseudocode. Very good. Aditya, Kashyap, Akhila, Ayush, Anish, Pranav are in the podium. Wonderful. Others compete with them. Yeah, we have still choice and chance. Yeah, for 10 more questions, 9 more questions are there. Ready? Go for second question. What are the 3 algorithm constructs? Algorithm constructs: sequence, selection, repetition, input output process, input output decision terminator, loop input output process. So like the step.
Ma'am, can you scroll the screen up, ma'am?
Is it okay, children? Yeah, it
Yes,
is sequence, selection, and repetition. So in any algorithm, sequence of steps are there. But sometimes we will skip some steps based on the decision. If this is true, do this, otherwise do that. Sometimes we repeat the same steps. So sequence, selection, repetition are the 3 algorithm constructs. Now let's go and see the score. Very good, Akila is stopping now. Ayush, Aditya Kashyap, Pranav, Anish. Anish entered into podium. Up 3 places. Sayan is the highest climber. Yeah, very good, wonderful. Let's go to the third question. Yes, what is the difference between a flowchart and a pseudocode? Flowchart is diagrammatic, pseudocode is written in programming. Flowchart is textual, but pseudocode is diagrammatic. Flowchart is diagrammatic description, pseudocode is textual description. Flowchart and pseudocode are the same thing.
अबे तेरी तो साला कॉल करने का भी
Flowchart is
सलीम भाई
diagrammatic description, whereas pseudocode is textual description. Okay, children. See, flowchart is diagrammatic. Pseudocode is not written in a programming language. Pseudo it is, not original code. Only original coding is written in a programming language.
अरे तो सबको पता है स्कूल ऐसे ही चल रहा है
Sorry?
Irfan,
Okay.
mute.
Yeah.
sorry
Quickly we'll wind up. Akila has got, Akila is continuing in her position with 2,851 points. Wonderful. Ayush 2,823. Very good. Ayush, Aditya Kashyap, Pranav, Yesh entered into podium. Very good. Up 6 places. Bazanzi is the highest climber. Let's go forth and compete in a flowchart. Output instruction is represented by flowchart input output. Input or output. कौन सा सिंबल यूज करते हैं इनपुट और आउटपुट के लिए? रेक्टेंगल, रॉम्बस, पैरालॉग्राम, सर्किल. We use parallelogram for input output. For the normal statements, whatever calculation you are doing, for that we use rectangle. Okay, children. So parallelogram is the correct answer. Yeah, many of you have clicked rectangle. Okay. So rectangle is for normal statements. Very good. Akila is on fire. Ayush, Aditya Kashyap, Pranav, Yesh are keeping up their position. Akila has the highest answer streak of 4. Very good, wonderful, Akila. In a flow chart, a calculation is represented by rectangle, rhombus, circle. Very good, children. It is represented by parallelogram. Is it parallelogram? It is calculation is represented by rectangle, children. Sorry, I have given the wrong answer. Those 6 people have given the correct answer. Okay, yeah, I'll correct it later. Now Ayush is the next climber. Yeah, sorry, yes, for this is from my side only, no? Ayush has streak 5 correct answers in a row. Very good. So now let's go to the next question. Which of the algorithm construct is used to represent a decision to check whether a person is eligible for voting? True or false decision? So which one you use? Decision, group, sequence, or the above? क्वेश्चन में ही आपका आंसर है. Good, children. Decision. Next. Yeah, Bazanzi entered into the podium. Akila, Aditya Kashyap, Pranav, Ayush are keeping up their positions in the podium. Let's go to the next question. What should be considered when designing an algorithm? Correct hardware, correct software, more than one way of solving the problem. Design time, not coding time. We have to see whether there are any other solutions. So we should go for solution. Then the cost will be reduced. The amount of energy to be spent will reduce. The amount of resources will be reduced. Isn't it? Optimal solution. So we have to think for different solutions. Aditya is on fire. Wow, very good. So Bazanzi, Pranav, Aditya Kashyap, Akila, Ayush is on top now. Yeah, they're all in the podium. 3 in a row. Aditya Kashyap is back in the game. Wonderful. In a flowchart, how are symbols connected? with lines and an arrow mark. Because in which direction that flow is going, that should be known. Okay, children. So next question, next we'll see the score. Very good. Bazanzi is coming up. And Pranav, you should compete. Ayush, Akhila, Aditya Kashyap are maintaining up their positions in the podium. Up 3 places. Anish is the highest climber. Let's see. So 2 more questions are there. Yes, when can algorithm be used? Only with computers, only when programming, only with flowchart, any time to design solution programs. Anytime, children. Algorithm means step-by-step process. In mathematics also, I explained you maths also, no? So in physics also, whatever, whenever, whatever the problem, even I discussed about real-time problems also, real-life problems like COVID-19. So we will find out the ways and means, no? That is an algorithm. Got it? Yeah. So right now Ayush is on fire and keeping up his position with 8,690 score. Akila in the second position. Third position Aditya, Bazanzi and Pranav are keeping up their positions in the podium. Ayush is the next highest, has the highest answer streak of 9. Very good. This is the last question. What is the following image indicate? You can see the image. Very good, children. That is a flow chart. It is understood, na? So you can see the rhombus and squares, rectangles and parallelogram, right? Circle is connector. Arrow mark is connector. Circle is also like connector means when it is extending from one page to another page, then we use that connector. Okay. So wonderful, children. You have done a good job. See, now you can see third position, Aditya Kashyap. Congratulations. We have given a big round of applause. Akila is in second position. And Ayush. Wonderful. Bazanti and Pranav. And Rajos. Children, now this month we will be having a lot of syllabus. So keep practicing, be attentive. Don't miss any class, children. Lot of syllabus will be winding up in this month, October, because the classes started late and we have to compete a lot. Okay, ma'am? Right. So these 2 questions, like which symbol, which one is used, that you have to be little thorough. Okay, children. Yeah, any you want to do investigations, you are play, you know, play 26 things on there is very good. Good, children. So now we'll wind up here. We have to have a break. Okay. So God bless you. Take good care. See you in the next class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Mera putra.
So you all enjoyed today's class?
Yes, ma'am.
Next Kahoot
Thank you,
will
ma'am.
be today whatever we discussed. And some more points, whatever we are going to discuss in the next class.